Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 14th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we're half through May, and it has not been a very good month, that's for sure. I was hoping that we were going to see something of a turnaround today. You can see here with the Dow, it opened positive in the morning. It kept climbing all day, well over 300 points up here, but did this nasty hook toward the end, officially closing up 207 points. But that, you know, that looks okay, but the problem is we got into 13 positions today and just nothing would fly. The stocks are limp. I'm not getting any real enthusiasm for buying in these markets, and so it's pretty hard to make money in that environment. We did not have a bad day, but we didn't make money. We were down about $4,000 or $5,000 in open trade yesterday. That did improve, but we still closed out with $2,700 negative on those positions that we had, four, I believe, coming in. And as I say, we got into 13 positions, 7 positive, 5 negative, but we're only carrying about $300-400 positive in open trade going into tomorrow. So we can't gain any traction in spite of the fact that Dow had a pretty decent day today. And the way this looks, I would like to say, well, it's over with, but no, it's not over with. What's frustrating is this is all being caused by this alleged trade war with China, and Trump has put tariffs on China that total maybe $300-400 billion at the most, and yet the sell-off that we've seen the last few days in the Dow is total like 1.5 trillion. So it's way out of proportion. Even the most negative interpretation of these tariffs would not warrant the kind of sell-off that we've had. So it's just very frustrating. But stocks are not rational, and that's something I've learned after over 2 decades of doing this. So we'll tough it out. We're not, as I told you yesterday, we're not doing that badly, really. But it's just, I don't like just having small losing days. I want to have big winning days, and the market environment right now is not very good for that. Okay, and as far as showing you anything here, I have but one stock to show you, and that's it. This is NIO Incorporated, NIO, and we had bought this just as soon as we could this morning. It held up pretty good and then had a really nice push toward the end, and we're holding $1,500 positive in open trade equity in NIO Incorporated. That's really the only decent looking chart we have for today. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.